Analyzing customers' feedback on your product might be tricky, especially if you want to do it in real time and react to that feedback and not just read all of the reviews. Product understanding doesn't fail because companies don't listen. It fails because feedback shows up too late or without any context to react on. The reviews are written instantly, but most reaction to these reviews might happen days later. So the delay itself is the real problem. Let's just stage a scene for a retail business. A customer leaves a review and you're treating it like a live signal, not just like a record in a database. This is where event processing comes in. Instead of storing events and looking at them later, each review is processed the moment it arrives. And after you've filtered and processed all of the events in real time, you can apply AI, something like ChatGPT or WatsonX.ai from IBM, to understand what is the summary of your reviews and what is the general tone, if it's negative or if it's positive. Then you can react instantly. This is event processing. It is a wrapper around Apache Flink that allows you to process your events from Kafka without any code. Of course, you can use code from Flink, but you don't have to, because everything in event processing is drag and drop and understandable for citizen developers. We need to start with the source of the events. In our case, it will be a topic with the name product reviews. Then we need to apply filtering to filter the reviews from the previous day. Then we need to count them and apply grouping to understand what was the review on a particular product and what was the review on another product. And then we need to analyze these reviews using AI. And I'm going to use WatsonX.ai from IBM in that case, and I will show you what I built to analyze these reviews. This is WatsonX.ai. It is a platform to build anything related to machine learning or AI, including foundation models and prompt templates. And I built a prompt template with the name Product Reviews Summary. And this is the prompt itself. The following are a list of reviews for the product. Read the reviews and then write a short paragraph summary. Reviews, reviews, summary. And you probably noticed that I have two curly brackets here. That's variables. And the default value for these variables is jeans and love at first wear. I was blown away by the comfort and style of these jeans. Let's click generate. And we should get a summary that should be quite positive. And the summary is, users have highlighted the superiority for the quality and durability of these jeans. It works. And for the AI model, for the foundation model, I'm using Granite 3.8b Instruct. Let's go back to event processing itself and test the flow with inclusion of historical events. And this is the summary of events. And in total, we processed 15,000 reviews. And here is the product itself. Raw denim bell-bottom jeans. Here is the average review. These jeans are decent, but the stitching could be a bit neater. I like the style of these jeans, but the quality is not the best. So let's take a look at generated text for the summary. So the product, raw jeans, have received mixed reviews from customers. While some appreciate the style and quick shopping, many are disappointed with the overall quality, particularly the stitching and material durability. So it works. It gave us the summary from 15,000 reviews in almost real time. In that case, reviews don't wait, customers don't wait, and your business don't wait. And to win a customer, you need to respond in real time. Thank you very much. I'm Alexander Khalikov. Please give a like to this video and leave a comment what you think about real-time event processing. See you in the next video. Bye!